Hello you guys, my name is Klismann Medrano and today is March 14th. This is for lab exercise, bacterial morphology and staining techniques. Alright, so I'm excited to do this video. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to need a couple clips. I grabbed 3 and I did label all of them, and you're also are going to need these. Okay, well, you're going to need a staining tray that they provided for us, and what I did is I put a circle in it the size of a dime, and I also put one of these M direct because I'm going to use my mouth on. We're going to get the culture from your mouth, and you're going to put it M for your mouth, so direct on it, and I put like a dime as well on it. And number 2 is the negative stain, and I put an M as well. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do, you guys, is, like I said, you want to label it. So I already labeled it beforehand to make it a lot easier for myself. So the first thing you want to do is just grab one sterile cotton swab. Okay, and you want to, I'm going to grab it from my teeth. Okay. Second thing, you're going to want to put it, and you want to do it in a circular motion. Okay. After that, we're going to discard this as well. So now that you have that and that is done, the second thing that you would like to do, I'm going to let it air dry just for a little bit, maybe less than 16 seconds, and it should be done in air dry. So now we're going to do the second slide. Okay. I'm going to use, and I'm going to use the red for this, and then I'm going to use 1 drop. I feel 1 drop is more effective. You keep putting more 2 drops, you're going to have too much liquid as you're trying to remove it. No, because none of the liquid should remain, you guys, so that's very important. So the next thing you want to do, you want to grab your second cotton, sterilized cotton, okay? Okay, there's your sterilized. Okay, we're going to do it on our teeth. Okay, on our gums. And you want to, in a circular motion as well, like you did the first one. Alright, so now that is done, I'll do a little bit more. Alright. You want to grab your third and extra, as I was saying, and at a 30-degree angle, you're going to try to remove all the liquid off. So at a 30-degree, like subcutaneous, you know, when you inject people, like your insulin. So the same thing, it's the same thing you guys want to do. So 30-degree angle, okay. Okay, and none of the liquid, and there should be no liquid remain. And this is why I wash my hands before and after. I will wash it after, but what I would say, you guys, when you clean your shirt, have a little paper towel, just because when you're removing the stain, if you just are doing it on a surface, you might get that liquid on it. And this way, there's a little bit of liquid that did come off when I was removing the liquid, but it's not going to dirty my main surface. So I thought that came in handy. Okay. So now that I removed the liquids, I will use my clamp. Okay, and my first exact one with the circle, we're gonna put it over the flyer. Okay, and we are gonna do it for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're gonna let it go. And that right there, the cells will stick to it so we can stain it. And we're going to let that wait right there, okay? Something I noticed also with the apex of the fire, it sterilizes it as well. So that's something else as well. Maybe it's not too smart to put it too close to the fire because it might just kill all the germs and all the bacteria on it. So, yeah. So the next thing, I'm going to use my crystal violet. Okay, and now that it should be dry by now, we're gonna use our staining tray. and we're gonna put 2 drops, okay, right in the middle. And it's kind of nice because of the red. And we're gonna wait 60 seconds. I have a timer right there on my kitchen, so in the kitchen. This one's actually ready to see under the microscope. I wish I can see this. I have my other paper towel, but I'm gonna use that to pat dry it after we're done. So check it out. Ready to see under the microscope. So now just kind of waiting for 60 seconds to kind of come down. Another thing I would just recommend you guys is labeling everything beforehand so you guys don't forget things or just mix things up. And it would be nice to have a trash can next to you so you could just discard your things that you don't need and you don't need to be throwing it away somewhere else. So yeah, that would help as well. So 60 seconds are kind of coming up. 60 seconds. Next thing we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove it until it is clear. So we're gonna go wash it in our sink. For my purposes, I'm gonna have to go by myself. So until it is clear. Yeah, so I want to show you guys now that it's clear. And now the next thing you guys would like to do, I'm going to put this back right here, okay? Next thing you want to do is grab a paper towel. Okay, and I'm going to just pat dry it. Pat. Okay. Pat. I'm not going to smear it, just pat. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. So, and now they're both ready and prepared just to look under the microscope. So, and this we're going to discard. We're going to wash our hands after for 30 seconds with warm water, and we're going to clean our area as well and make sure that it's sterilized and to be ready to use once again. So we're going to discard it. One way to discard it, put this under, grab this under your glove. And go ahead and put your finger under this so you don't touch your hands with any of those organisms. So that's one way. Have a great day, you guys.